Take a ride in the 2022 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, trip computer, clock, compass, satellite radio, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, tachometer, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.